So congratulations, Mr. Porush, as you got your student visa done for the UK. So I would like to ask you a few questions about the same. How was your experience with the Asta Achievers?
My experience with Asta Achiever is really amazing, as you folks helped me a lot in achieving my dream. Eventually, today I got my student visa for UK, and here, as you know, I came here in mid of November and discussed the thing with you that I have a dream to go to UK for my further studies, and you folks helped me a lot. And Mr. Love Sharma, I would really like to thank to him, as he helped me in finalizing the university, and we shortlisted one of the reputed university, and we did the things how to get enrolled myself in that university, and the process was quite comfortable for me just because of you folks. Amazing job, you all. And I would personally recommend Asta Achievers if anyone is seeking to fulfill his or her dream for overseas.
Thank you very much.